few seconds, guys. Just posting the link here on the chat room that we are currently having, and so we can start. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hello there. Um, Great day. Indeed. Quite a busy week for quite a busy day for me here, to be honest with you. Now with the chat room and adding other people in, and it's taking a little of my time, but it's normal. I was expecting that. And Lee saying that he was asleep when the pound got hit. Yeah, me too. Actually, when I go on my computer, I like to take a really long breakfast. So when I go on the computer, pound, as you can see here, was around 153, lower than 153 or already prior to data. So I was quite surprised to see the pound so weak as it was. Anyway, guys, before I continue, don't forget I'm having here the new chat room. Okay, really nice chat room. We're already having 81 members. Okay, everyone is joining, which is very interesting, and I'm really happy to announce this service to you guys. It's free, okay, until next month. The only thing you have to do to join this chat room here is to send me an email, which I can show you here, which is here, okay? Thiago at duarteinvestmentsguru.com. Okay, guys. Or tweet me your email, it's up to you. One or the other. I just need your email so I can add your email address to the chat room, then you can have a full access. It's a private chat room, so that's why I can't give you the link so you can join straight away. It's not anyone that can use, so just send me an email. You don't need to write me a long email, just saying Thiago, add me on the chat room, and I will add you straight away there. Okay, guys. So we traded together today. I opened a long dollar Swiss franc. I have two longs there. I don't know who got long with me, but I bought $2 Swiss long there. One is at break even at the moment. The other one is quite about 19 pips profit. Stop in loss. I'm still holding that one because that one is about, this trade here is about medium to long term trader. So yeah, I'm holding that as one. But the trade that really worked for us today was the short S&P 500. We got to the highs. I shorted more there. Actually, my trade was taken at break even, and then I added another one with a better price, and then it came all the way back again. So really nice there. DAX as well. I'm still holding my short from Friday. So pretty good there. Someone asked me how did I go on financial trading. It was when I was 16 years old, to be honest with you, quite young, 16. So I started trading myself, learning everything on my own, reading books, watching videos, trying myself, losing money, asking professional traders, sending emails, doing my own research. So yeah, I learned on the hard way, let's say, in that thing. Okay, guys, but anyway, here's the chat room. I hope everyone joins. The trial is gonna end next month, so the 22nd. So you have a month there to use. Yeah, I'm finishing my degree now, James. I'm still studying. I'm still in university. I'm about to finish my degree. I do a double honor, so I do, let's say, two universities. I do economics and financial economics, financial market. So yes, it helps me quite a lot on the fundamental part of my trading, to be honest with you. So really good. Anyway, guys, let's jump to the charts here. This is the 4-hour dollar Swiss francs, and we nearly touched the support zone here, and we nearly went there. I'll be more than happy to see this market come here in this zone here, to be honest with you. So I'm not. I'll be quite okay if this comes here, because I expect this zone, to hold a little bit here. Okay, we can find pretty easy support here, which is around 95.26, 95.25. We might even do a false breakout here, guys. Okay, so pay attention. We can do easily, quite easily, make a new false breakout and then come back up again. Okay, so keep that in mind. So I'm long dollar Swiss. If you're in that chat room, you know it's free for a month. Euro dollar still below the trend line there, and below, well, right now is at exactly to the 78% fib, so something to watch there. Still bearish in my opinion. Gold went pretty high today, but still didn't break that high that we seen here few weeks ago, which is around 1169. So for me, still you know, as we stay around here, it's pretty nice bearish here. I'm not gonna sell gold just because I have other dollar exposure. In that way, I'm short euro dollar from 1370, so I'm in a small loss there, and I'm long dollar Swiss franc, and I think that's all I have at the moment with dollar exposure, but I'm quite good with my sizes there. I'm also trading indices, but it's not because of the dollar. But gold, you know, as you follow me, probably you know the gold, you know, tends to follow, not follow, but you know, do the opposite of the dollar index. So something to keep in mind. So still, as we're still above 1169, I think we have reason to sell gold, in my opinion. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Pounds, as we hit it today, let's see where we are on the 4-hour chart. So there is the pound, but some pounds getting higher now, but I think we have some levels here to watch on the 4-hour, which can be this one here probably. I think we can watch this about what, 5280. I think we can find easily resistance there, and for those that wants to sell cable, think that it's going hard lower, I think that's the level to watch. Okay, 5280. Going to the Aussie dollar now. Let's see how we are. So at support, okay guys, at support, we spoke about this level on the quick live session this morning, okay, about the Aussie coming back, retesting here this support zone here, and maybe going higher. So a nice place to buy, because even going to the daily chart here, we are exactly to the trend line, okay, on the daily chart. So there is a nice place to make a bottom. And the good thing is that your stop loss is going to be quite good, because you're buying here, your stop loss below the low here, or a little bit lower, probably around 72.45, and your take profit, you know, can be here 73.50. So the risk reward there, it's quite good if you want to buy here. Okay, so buy now, let's say. Okay, you can wait. So stop loss here, take profit 53.50, and that's the trade. Okay, 3.303. So risk reward is 3-1. So amazing risk reward here if you want to play Aussie dollar to the long side. Okay, I think this is a very good trading strategy here. If you think that the dollar index, the dollar will have a brief, will have a correction lower, so maybe this is the market to look at. So pretty nice there. Now looking the QE, which probably is very similar. So yeah, we're still a support. Okay guys, we have this trend line here is the same I had on the daily, you know, connecting to these two highs here. We came, touched, let me zoom it. So we touched it here, came lower, and then we went higher. Now feeling support in this zone here, so we might go higher again. Yes, Kevin. Chinese data tonight. Let me open here and show it to you guys, especially for the new traders. We have Chinese data, so it affects the Oils and commodities pairs, especially. So yeah, we have Chinese inflation rates today, so pretty important, and we have the Aussie as well, confidence data. okay, before that. So the Aussie will be impacted by this news here, okay, so keep an eye. We have this data there, but you know, really nice there. So Kiwi, same thing, support zone still holding there. I think as we stay below 66.38, I think we are pretty we can pretty make a bottom here and then jump, okay, so 63.40, okay, in that zone. Dollar Swiss franc we spoke about, pounds, Aussie. Let's look the dollar CAD, loonie. Okay, so yeah, we went here, nearly touched trend line here. I told I told the people on the chat room that this was, you know, this trend line here was perfect to get a short. We didn't touch there, I think by 3 pips, and then we made a really nice slide here, came back, retest this 23% fib, and now it's going a little bit higher. Something to keep in mind here is that I think this looks like a wave 2, which means that wave 3 is next, and wave 3 is the biggest one. So if I see the loonie doing this, then we might come all the way back to 32.50, I think we might be, or even touch this 61% fib here, okay, which is fib extension, but I can add here another fib from the high to the low, so we have another fib to look at and see. Yeah, 61% is all here. So if I see that high that we made today be broken, okay, we might reach this zone here on the loonie, okay, which is about 32.55 zone, around that. Okay, so keep an eye on dollar CAD. We can easily start breaking higher. Daily nothing here, guys. We just bounced from a trend line, which is good, okay, which is the trend line we have been looking for a few days. So nothing major there. It's just about, you know, how we can, it's all about what happens into the next hours, okay. But something to keep in mind is the oil, okay. Look where oil is at its lows, okay. So oil can easily continue going lower, and the CAD can make another big bounce, okay. So something to keep in mind there. I think for the people that are selling dollar CAD, I think they are worried, okay, because they want to see this oil giving some support and bouncing so the dollar Canadian can go lower. So something to keep in mind. Dollar yen, let's look dollar yen, which has been boring and still is. Look at this range, guys. This is the 4 hour. Since we are locked in this range since what, let's count this high here, since what, 0909, so over a month, okay, we are locked in this range between what, 121 and 119. We are locked in this range, nothing else to do there. Who is trading this pair here? I think it's crazy, okay, nothing there in my opinion. What else can we look? Let's look the indices then, which I have been trading quite a lot. So indices here, this was the trend plan I showed you guys yesterday. For those that can remember, I showed this in here live. That was a nice short in here, stop loss here, so we never reached stop loss. Of course, we made a false high here, but you know, it didn't break and then came all the way lower. So take profit here, guys, for those that want to close. Is about what, 119.62, somewhere here, okay, probably at this low, probably around here, you guys choose, okay. But I want to hold this trade for more than that, okay. But for short-term traders, I think this is a nice zone here to close. And the DAX looking bearish too. As you can see, they're pretty bearish, okay, especially if we look the red, the daily here. 2 dojis down the top at resistance zone, resistance channel, fib, low, everything's there, okay guys. So pretty nice. That pretty red candle. We are gonna close in what, about, we're gonna close, 1 second guys, let me check. I have to change here the settings on my PC, which I already did. Yeah, so we closed the DAX in 1 hour time, well, 15 minutes time. So yeah, Pretty nice. So the DAX has been, I think, even better than S&P 500 because it never bounced back to the highs and S&P 500 did. So, but if the S&P start giving up gains, okay, then the DAX, guys, is gonna fall hard. Okay, so that's good. Rudy, I don't speak your language. Anyway, guys, I think that's all for today. Nothing else there. So again, guys, if you want to see more, you know, if you want to join the chat room, feel free. It's free for a month. 82 traders there, pretty good traders. We have been talking, trading together, pretty nice. Okay, if you want to join, again, if you just join us, just send me an email or tweet me your email address. Okay, all I need is your email address, then I can add you in the system. You're gonna receive an email a few seconds later giving you the link for you to access the chat room. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Have a really nice day, enjoy your day, and take care, and I see you in the chat room.